Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum everyone. Hope you all are doing great. So in this video I am going to share with you all Mausamri digital printed linen collection. Total 8 codes are left with me and these all are available in multiples. Contact details and pricing have been mentioned on the screen. Please don't ask for COD availability. We'll start with the first design of today. See, here comes the first code. This is going to be the print. We'll start with the front of the shirt. See, here comes the printed neckline. ठीक है, this is going to be the printed neckline followed by the daman border print. Moving on, we have this printed back, and further moving on, here comes the printed sleeves. Next, we have this dyed bottom followed by this contrasting dupatta. Wine contrast के साथ they have provided this beautiful dupatta. ठीक है, it's thicker than lawn. No need of it doesn't require any lining and all. ठीक है, without lining you can easily carry this. ठीक है, बहुत ज़्यादा you cannot say बहुत ज़्यादा warm है, but हाँ lawn के मुकाबले it's slightly on the thicker side. Done. Moving on. Here comes the next shade. This is going to be the overall look, and here comes the print. See, here comes the front of the shirt. This is going to be the neckline. ये ना बहुत ब्राइटर साइड पे है, बट इसमें ये बहुत डल लग रहा है. ये ऐसा कलर नहीं है, इट्स ऑन द ब्राइटर साइड. ठीक है, सो इन केस यू हैव एनी डाउट यू कैन आस्क फॉर दिस ओपन वीडियो, सॉरी दिस ओपन इमेज. ठीक है, आई विल शेयर इट विद यू, या मैंने शॉर्ट्स पे भी अपलोड किया है. सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी द ओवरऑल फ्रंट लुक. मूविंग ऑन, वी हैव दिस प्रिंटेड बैक, सेम रहेगी. ठीक है, एंड फर्दर मूविंग ऑन वी हैव दीज स्लीव्स. हियर कम्स the dyed bottom followed by this again contrasting shawl. This is going to be the shawl. Wait, I'll open it and then I'm going to show you. See, this is going to be the overall print of the shawl. ठीक है, moving on, here comes the third one, jet black in shade. This is going to be the overall look, and this is how the print is. See, here comes the beautiful printed neckline followed by the border print. Next we have this printed back, and further moving on we have these sleeves. ठीक है, here comes the bottom followed by this dupatta. This is how the print of the dupatta is. ठीक है, see, this is going to be the overall look. Moving on, here comes the next code. A very beautiful color. Let me show you the print and the color. This is going to be the beautiful printed neckline. ठीक है, followed by the daman print. Further moving on, we have this printed back, and further moving on, here comes the beautiful printed sleeves. ठीक है, Here comes the dyed bottom, followed by this दुपट्टा. दुपट्टे का प्रिंट आप पास से एक बार चेक कीजिए. सेल्फ प्रिंटेड दुपट्टा with this motif printing. This is going to be the overall look of the dupatta. Done. Moving on. Here comes another beautiful coat, sky blue in shade. See now, borders are provided on the side. ठीक है, बहुत ही सटल. एक मिनट, अभी दिखाया नहीं मैंने. बॉर्डर्स आर गोइंग टू कम ऑन द साइड और ये रहेगा ओवरऑल प्रिंट पर. ठीक है, फ्रंट, बैक एंड स्लीव्स ऑल आर गोइंग टू बी ऑन द सेम प्रिंट. हियर कम्स द फ्रंट. नेक्स्ट वी हैव दिस बैक and further moving on we have these sleeves. Next comes the dyed bottom, followed by this again contrasting dupatta. This is going to be the print of the dupatta. See, this is going to be the दुपट्टा. वेरी ब्यूटिफुल, बहुत ही काम शेड, सटल एकदम. ठीक है, मूविंग ऑन. हियर कम्स अनदर ब्यूटिफुल शेड. ये मेरे पास सिर्फ एक ही है, आई गेस एक या दो हैं शायद ये. See, here comes the beautiful printed neckline, followed by the border print. ये रहेगा इसका border print. Further moving on, we have this printed back with the border print, and further moving on, we have these exactly similar sleeves. ठीक है, सेम बॉर्डर के साथ, जैसे बैक पर है फ्रंट पर है बॉर्डर वैसे ही. नेक्स्ट कम्स द डाइड बॉटम, फॉलोड बाय दिस कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग शॉल. पहले आप इसका प्रिंट चेक कर लीजिए. This is going to be the look of the shawl. ऐसा कुछ प्रिंट है इसका, कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग. ठीक है, मूविंग ऑन. हियर कम्स द नेक्स्ट कोड, ग्रीन इन शेड. This is how the print is. See, this is going to be the printed neckline. Moving on, we have this border print. Next comes printed back. And further moving on, we have these printed sleeves. ठीक है, next comes the dyed bottom, followed by this beautiful printed dupatta. See, so this is going to be the print of the dupatta. This will come on the border और ये रहेगा इसका middle portion. ठीक है, again I am showing you the borders. So this is how the overall look of the suit is going to be. Moving on, here comes the next code, off white in shade with a print of black. Here comes the printed neckline, followed by the border print. ठीक है, moving on, we have this printed back And further moving on, we have these printed sleeves. Here comes the dyed bottom, and next we have this dupatta. Let me show you the print of the dupatta. मल्टी कलर दुपट्टा प्रिंट दे है प्रोवाइडेड ऑन फोर बॉर्डर्स. ठीक है, चारों बॉर्डर्स पे इस तरीके का प्रिंट रहेगा, एंड दिस विल कम इन द मिडल. ठीक है, so this is how the overall print is going to be. Moving on, here comes the next code, red in shade. This comes with overall print and borders are given on the side. ठीक है, so this is going to be on the this overall print is going to be same. Front, back and sleeves का borders are provided on the side, front और back में. ठीक है, so this is going to be the overall front. Moving on, we have this printed back. As I said, front and back is same, and so are the sleeves. ठीक है, here comes the dyed bottom, and the dupatta is again a beautiful one. Let me show you the print. So this is going to be the dupatta. ठीक है, beautiful dupatta. Done. This completes the look. Moving on. So here comes the last code, royal blue in shade. Let me show you the print. Borders are there on the side. पहले मैं आपको एक बार borders check करा देती हूँ. Then I'll switch on to the overall look. This will come on the side. ये रहेंगे इसके borders. And this is how the overall print of front, back and sleeves is going to be. ठीक है, ये रहेगा इसका overall print. Front, back and sleeves, as I said, are on the same print. Overall print is going to be same. ठीक है, ये रहेगी back and here comes the sleeves. ठीक है, next we have this dupatta, and further moving on, here comes the, sorry, this was the bottom and here comes the shawl. There can be a slip of tongue, I'm sorry. ये बहुत सारी चीज़ें ना एक साथ चल रही होती हैं, दिखाना भी है, बोलना भी है, एक्सप्लेन भी करना है. So this is how the overall print of the dupatta is going to be, and let me show you the center part also. This is going to be the middle print, center print, and here comes the print of the bottom, dupatta bottom. Done. So these were the total 10 designs of Mossamri digital printed linen collection. Hope you liked the video. Inshallah, I'll be coming to the next video soon. Thanks for watching. Take care and Allah Hafiz.